Yes, any one of you come up with the introduction part. What are the three models it consists of? The introduction part. How you can, an introduction can be given in 3 to 4 different ways. Anybody? I have shared the document regarding that introduction part.
Yes,
Hello.
in there are four types which you talk about.
Yes,
First, need to introduce that myself. My
yes,
name is Syed Tahir Tayyib Razvi. Yes. Otherwise, other thing is, I am Syed Tahir.
yeah.
First, myself. Second, I am. I didn't not able to express it. You can somebody else can provide it.
Jazakallah. Thank
In
you
this
so
two,
much.
thank you so much.
Yeah, introduction of 4 models we have. Okay, intro oneself, others, chief guest, and yourself. Yes. So how, like, just introduction of yourself means, like, I'm suppose I would like to introduce one of you. So I will say like that. Means I'm introducing you, one of my students. One of my student. I'm introducing him. So I can say I would like to introduce my friend or my mother, like that. So for others, okay. So if oneself, yourself, others, and the VIP, suppose a chief guest is there. So how you will introduce a chief guest in the program? Let me know any one of you. Like you have gone through, you are at degree level, a graduation level, a school level, college level. You have heard about how the one person will introduce the chief guest. So how it could be?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
First of all, we should greet them, ma'am.
Yes. No,
Ma'am, it's gonna be, ma'am, it's gonna be like, let me introduce, or I'm glad to introduce our chief guest. As you
yes.
know, all. So, this kind of a way we need to be introduced from like in first impressions and what he exactly is. Then, after we can have it.
Yes. Yeah. No,
Okay.
I want 2 to 3 lines. Continuity should be there.
Okay, ma'am,
Okay.
let me introduce, or I'm glad to introduce our chief guest, Mr. Mr. or Mrs. As you know,
Yeah.
all. So, she is like a respected IPS or IAS or like this, and he's
Yeah.
a very famous person, and we need to have a some short story among that what he exactly the miss or miss like that.
Yeah.
Then
His or her profile.
yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, after that, ma'am, we would like to invite on the stage or like in on dais so they can have share the valuable experience or valuable opinions to them, so that
Okay.
this gonna be start, I guess.
Okay, good. And some other person, like, you want to come up with how to introduce other chief guest, some few lines. Any one of you, please come up. Or else you want to introduce your mother, your daughter, anyone, to come up with, like, we are here to speak
Hello,
out.
ma'am.
Okay, here we are here gathered here to speak out. Please.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I want to introduce my friend to my mother. So I'll start like that, like this.
Yes. Hmm. No, you just give
Ashraf,
the
this is
introduction,
my mother.
introduction of your mother.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So I'll introduce my friend to my mother. Mother, this Ashraf, this is my mother.
Yes, continue.
Sorry,
Yes,
I
continue.
had to introduce my mother to my friend or my friend to my mother.
Yeah, yes,
That I
continue
want to
the
confirm.
conversation. What intro part Some 2-3 lines. How you are going
Ashraf,
to
this is
introduction? How
Ashraf,
you are
this
going
is
to
my mother.
Yes.
Ashraf, this is my mother. Mother, this is Ashraf. He's my classmate. We have been together for 5 years. From childhood, we are friends. That's it.
Okay. Good.
No, that's it.
Okay. Suppose you have to introduce yourself here. Any one of you in the gathering, you have to introduce yourself.
Yes,
How?
may
What
I,
are
may I,
the
ma'am?
things you want to focus it, and you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, yes. May I?
You are
Can I
not
introduce
audible.
myself?
Any one of you?
Can I introduce myself?
Yes.
Yes. Well, I would like to describe myself. First of all, my name is Muhammad Akram, and my nickname is Faraz Khan. My nickname is have right on my Zoom app. So, well, my nickname is Faraz, and I have completed engineering in 2017 from Bhopal, Acropolis Institute of Technology, and right now I have completed my Masters of Business Administration from RGPB Bhopal, and I, I'm a very keen interested in software, and my future plan to achieve something in IT company. So I want that's why I'm planning for the campus selections process to this course. So well, I have to do some extra additional courses I have completed, but I didn't. I don't get the job up to the mark for me. So I have replied. I'm planning for the after my engineering. I have planning for the IS examinations, but there was the toughest examinations when I was studying. So I take some attempt to institute only. I don't attempt the government from the organizations,
Okay.
but I didn't qualify. So I just leave from my applications over there. So then I joined my master program, MBA program from this university. So I'm planning for the IT company.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
it.
Nice to know.
A very good afternoon, ma'am. Can I, ma'am?
Yeah. Yeah. You can proceed.
Uh,
Yeah.
First of all, ma'am, a very good afternoon to you, and thank you for giving me this opportunity, ma'am. This means me a lot for me. My name is Sayyid Umar, and I'm from Hyderabad. I have recently done my engineering in electronic and communication engineering from an OU. Recently, this 2020 in October. Coming to my hobbies, my hobbies are listening to the musics, and I would say the reading books. And coming to my strength and weakness, my strength is I have self-motivated and hard works and always carry a positive attitude. And coming to my weakness, I trust people easily and I cannot say no if someone asks for help. And coming to my short-term goals and long-term goals, my short-term goals are to get a job in a reputed company, improving my skills, improving my knowledge, improving my all my knowledge among that in a one place. Coming to my long-term goal, I achieve a very good positions where I can build my careers, and that's all about me. And thank you.
Nice to know about you, mashallah. Very good. And one more, like intro part is done. Okay. And one more activity we can do in this hobby part. Okay. So how you will expertise yourself in your hobbies. Okay. You have to write some few lines, few sentences to gain the expertization in your hobby. So think about that. I will give you this is the assignment so that we can do it in on Monday, because Saturday and Sunday is off. So like in your introduction part, hobby is a part. Okay, intro part, hobby is your part. So just have a look into that, how how what are the steps you want to take to make your hobby as an expert one. Okay, expertise your hobby. What are the steps? We'll do this activity on Monday, and related to your introduction part, achievement. Okay, everyone we have a aim of our life. If we don't have, as a human beings are living with the aim. Okay, all human beings are living with the aim. So everyone has aim, but how you are working on that? Are you really working on that aim? Are you really working on aim? So for that you have to plan it. Okay, for that you have to plan it. If you plan it, then only you can execute it. If you once execute, you will achieve, inshallah you can achieve it, that goal. But it requires some steps, procedure, process. So let us go through how you can go, how you are, what are the steps you have to, what are the measures you have to take to achieve your goals, your aim, your objective. So every individual has objective, aim, even a proper this, even for taking a class, you have some aim, objective of my class is, everyone is here in the class in this session have some aim, objective. That's why we have gathered here. Okay, so let us today will see what is goal, how to achieve the goal, and what are the steps. In a very short manner I have prepared. Let's have a look into that. Okay, so we let yesterday we have seen how important this communication skill, importance of communication skills. Okay, it is a basic, okay, core of your skill set, communication skill. You want, if you have a skill set means number of skills you have, but you don't have a communication, you cannot communicate properly. How in front of your people, okay, in front of you, whoever is sitting, how they know that what are the skill set you have. So basic thing is you have to communicate whatever the skill set you have. So for this English communication way of presenting the things, thinking in English, develop external environment by edutainment. Okay, edutainment means education plus entertainment. How you will educate yourself using the entertainment thing. Okay, so you have to look after the series of some stories, or their novel stories are there. So you just read out those things, and we'll do one activity on, you have to perform, you have to play the whatever the series you have, whatever the play novel uh, uh, you have gone through that. And one more thing I want to discuss, like I want to make, suppose you have 30 participants in this session. If you have, if you are 30 participants, we'll make a star batch. Okay, star batch of, suppose in one star batch 6 students. So batch wise we'll go and we'll do the activities, and day wise we'll give the star rating. It will be better. You want to achieve 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. So every each and every class, daily class, is based on our star rating. So we'll divide the students and team, star batch means one team, 5 teams, and one team leader of 5 students. Okay, is it okay?
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So it will be better how we are going. Okay. Introduction part we have seen, the introducing oneself, introducing others, meet my friend, or this is Mr. and Miss, please meet my friend, may I introduce my teacher, let me introduce myself, let me introduce my son or my daughter. These are the different common ways you can use it to introduce others. Okay, these are the different ways. And you want to introduce your friend to your mother. One of you you have discussed, very good, means you have gone through the document, very good. If you practice daily, you can do it. Okay, and this is the you have, one of you also, you have given this one model 3, how to introduce a chief guest. Okay, just this is our second class, but try to be like elaborate the things so that you can come up with your ideas. Okay, here, target goals. How you have to target the goals. So what are the steps to achieve your goal? Okay, so to achieve your goal, you should be smart. You should be smart. So this age, this technological era, we can say that it's a smart, not a hard. You have to work as a smart. Don't be harder. So how you will become a smart? So that is a specific, measurable, achieve, realistic, and timely. You should work on time, discipline. You should have a discipline. So what, how you can set a goal? By becoming a smart. How you will become smart? By specific, by measurable, by achievable, by realistic, by timely. So how, first you have to and one more thing, if you want to do anything, put it on the paper. Keep one diary with you. Okay, for this 3 months of course, if you want to achieve your goal, keep up diary, maintain it, and follow whatever you want to do it. Write it down in your diary. If you have done, tick mark. Okay, if you are doing so, it is a practical thing. If you are doing so, if you are keeping, if you are maintaining this diary, means you are very practical. Human nature is there. Whatever you want to do, if you want to do anything, you put it on the paper, then only you can do it. Don't keep in your mind. It will take time to execute. If you put it on the diary or put it on the paper, you can do it, inshallah. So try to become, if you want to achieve your goal, if you want to target your goals, so be a smarter one. How you will? Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. So write down your goal. What are the what you want to achieve? Write that. Get your goal out of your imagination. Means you're thinking means it is in the imagination. If you're putting on the paper, means that is a realistic. You will try to make it realistic if you put it on the paper. If you put it on the paper, you will try to make it realistic. If it is there in the mind, it will be an imagination part. So what you want to make it, imaginary or realistic?
Realistic.
Any one of you? You want to make it imaginary or realistic?
Realistic.
Yeah, realistic, inshallah. So for that, you have to work on that. So set a deadline also. So we have a deadline of 3 months. So whatever you want to do it, you have a 3 months of deadline. You have to keep a diary, maintain that. And for anything, if you want to have a lunch also, you have to keep in your, you have to set a mind that you have to prepare a lunch and you have to eat it. What you want to eat, that you have to first prepare your mind. That is the mindset. For doing any work, first you have to prepare your mind. Unless and until you won't prepare your mind, you will not do anything. If you have prepared your mind that before coming to this session, you have prepared that whatever ma'am is going to say, I will listen carefully and will work it. So you will listen. Otherwise, you will, means you are mentally prepared. Some of them, they are physically present but mentally absent. Means they are not somewhere else. So you should, mindset should be there. if you want to work on your goals and develop your skill set. Basic skill set is how develop means you have to gradually, step by step, you have to improve your skill set. Developing basic skill set is communication. How you are going to communicate. For communication, you require etiquettes of speaking, etiquettes of sitting, etiquettes of conveying things in the gathering or conference. And take the first step, continue to completion, reward yourself. Reward yourself. Okay. So try to continue to complete that. Completion, you're doing, but you're not completing. You're missing one step. It will not fulfill. After completion, reward yourself. Allah will reward you with good job, with good opportunities. If you have really worked for that, your good opportunities will knock you at the door. Good opportunities, inshallah. So this is your goal setting. So we'll do one activity. Okay, you plan it for this activities. Goal accomplishment icon, person holding flag. One person is holding a flag. You want to means that person has achieved his goal. You want to do that achievement also. So you are trying. Means you have to hold that flag. Means you holding that flag means you want to achieve your goal. How you are going to achieve that flag? You have to plan for it, you have to work for it, and you have to become a smart. Smart we have, what are the for smart? Specific, measurable. Any one of you?
Achievable, realistic, and timely.
Good. So this is the goal achievement. So you have to, so let us discuss about the goals. Okay, let us discuss about the goals. Any one of you come up with the goals, how you have planned. First, meantime, you have a book with you and try to write 2-3 sentences so that others are involved in the goal achievement. Others, they can work for it, write some points and convey me. Any one of you come up with the goal?
Ma'am, our short-term goals or long-term goals, we can have it.
Both you can say.
Okay, ma'am.
Any one of you, any short term?
Ma'am, my short-term goal is that to improve my knowledge and have a reputed companies where I can build my knowledge, build my skills, and build my career.
Okay, you have set a goal. Okay, how,
Yes.
what are the measures, what are the steps you are going to take to achieve that?
Ma'am, I'm planning for P3. I personally believe for P3, like plan, prepare, and present. So have
Yeah.
been planned and have been preparing by this, and inshallah presentation would be at the end of the month. At the end of this sessions, I would end of the 3 month, I would say this now.
End of the 3 month, or you can give a so that you can share yourself what are the plans you have, what are the presentations you are preparing. At least if you share, others will get the ideas and they will also come up with that. End of the
Yeah,
week,
ma'am.
you can plan for that end of the week.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm actually planning to have an online courses also from various website also. So my courses is going on still,
Okay.
like in Pythons and my PLCs and Oracles. So this going on, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you. And others goals?
Sayed, I want to join online courses in Python. Is there options to how to join
Yes.
Python
We
course?
have a website where we can have an free online courses, and they will give assignments. They will have an quiz competitions also. After the completion, you will provide a certificate also, and it will be
We are,
all practical, I would
excuse
say.
me, we are going beyond the whatever what we are discussing. So please, I want goals. What are your goals and how you want to achieve the goals? What are the
Sorry,
steps
ma'am,
and
regarding
measures you
that.
want to take? That we'll discuss.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, well, ma'am, my short-term goal has many more, but I get achieve some short-term goals. But I have some plan to short-term goal is to I have completed to MS from abroad. So I'm planning for there. I'm planning to this, and I want to get first of all I want to get a good job in IT field. Then I apply for the abroad educations in MS. So and my long term goal I want to become a successful scientist in my field. So that's my long term goal.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. But we need to discuss what you have planned for that, how you are going to execute that goal. What are the steps, measures?
Well, I am preparing for the my execute my plan. So I'm just learning a lots of things day by day. Just like to English speaking skills, I have to develop my speaking skills. I'm preparing for my technical things. I overcome my technical things day by day, and I'm planning for the some online courses to learn a lot and explore a lot myself. And if I explore myself, then I get a good job in IT. So that's my preparing or that's my learning program is going on.
Okay,
So
good to know.
after 3 months or after 5 months, I will get a very good job in IT field.
Good, inshallah, good. So, others they can come up with, like you can see on the screen how you are going to set the goal using this factors: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. So, please stress on these factors. Use these factors and say how you are going to achieve the goals.
Uh, my goal is to be a businessman, to start a set of small business initially. So whatever I learn and whatever the experience I have gained in the past years, so I just wanted to gather it all together and start a small business. So I have taken an initiative once I arrived in Hyderabad. I have waited for a home quarantine, and then later I started going around. So I wanted to focus on less loss, and then I'll gain experience. And also, if I'm facing a loss, also I'll face a low loss. So I started working as a vegetable vendor. So I have purchased some vegetables and have been to the markets, like to different markets. As you know, like in Torichaki, there'll be a one day, and the other day it will be on the other place. So I have done that. So I used to buy the vegetables and I have done that. Now, like I'm in a process of building a web page and also page on Facebook and Instagram, and start my own delivery, vegetables delivery at cheap cost. Whatever the experience I have got, and also like after learning this IT, like information technology and all these things, I just wanted to start a small business by targeting to schools and other places, other institutions where I can hire 4 or 5 people and then I can start my own business.
Okay, nice, very nice. Yeah, just like a merchant, business merchant. Okay, good. Next, come up with how you are going to set your goal using this specific, measurable. Others with come up. Yes, we are here to have a conference. Some of them they have spoke out. Like others, I'm waiting for others. They can share their goals. How you are going to achieve? Just share with us. Yes, those who left speaking out, please speak out.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes, you are audible, sir.
Okay. Ma'am, I want to get a job. My primary goal and secondary goal is main goal is to get a job. So I've been searching for various courses.
Okay.
Then my friend has suggested me this online course,
Okay.
and it for minority SE. So today you showed me some steps to achieve the goal, and I'll apply it on my daily basis, inshallah,
Sure.
and achieve my goal.
Okay. And plan for it and discuss and try to like on Monday you have a class. So please come up with your whatever we have discussed in 2 days. Okay. Come up with this. Okay. How you are going to, like I have said, hobby expert, and this is how you are going to achieve the goals. Come up with 2 points
Yeah.
on these both topics.
Okay.
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 Okay, presentation. It will you should give a presentation, not a PPT form. Like means you should be specific. You have some preparation with preparation. Okay. Yes. Next, can I hear from Sheikh Hussain? Can I hear from Sheikh Hussain?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, you can like use this what goal setting, smart. Use these factors.
Uh,
On screen you have the things like you have to write down your goal, get your goal out of your imagination. You have imagination, how you are make it realistic, that you have to say it. Any one of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, any one of you.
What did you say?
uh, Goal setting, you have to use these 5 factors. Smart, specific, measurable, achieve. So you have set a goal, I think so. So how you are make your imagination to a realistic? What are the plans you have? You just discuss, share your points.
First of all, work on your mindset. So I was distracted with a lots of things because there was a lots of things is going on. So after pandemic, I realized that things in IT company they are paying a lots of things, and they are getting to you a lots of things, and they pay you a lot, and in IT have your career. So I belongs to an engineering field, but I have completed my master's program. Then I realized that in IT company have a bigger market than management field. Now this time in I have completed my management field in marketing. So marketing is just a small time, just a temporary basis. And but IT field have vast market. So I
Information technology is the technology. So on internet also we have a marketing part. IT is a
yes
part, a major. Marketing is the marketing just this is this marketing role is everywhere in each and every
yes
field.
yes. But I realize that if you are doing in information technology jobs, so you have a lots of options or comfortability in this field. But if you are doing in marketing jobs, so you want to get improve a lot as comparison to in IT field, because in IT field you want to just improve your some languages. If you have
Yeah.
some languages, so yeah, that's your commands and that's your quality. To you just concentrate on your
Means you're
quality of the
developing your
languages.
skill set. You're developing your skill set. You have work
Yes,
on your mindset and you are developing your skill set by by doing the courses of this computer related courses, Python like that, others. So you're
Yes,
developing
yes.
skill set. One of your
Developing
to
your
achieve your
skill
goal.
set.
Yes. Yes.
Developing your skill set. So doing computer to joining computer languages classes or uh, other additional courses that helps you a lot in your career. So developing skill set is better things. And take a first step. I think you want to just take a first step to apply for the IT companies, and they are hiring the freshers ones, and they are providing apprentice types of training. Those who are freshers ones.
Yeah.
So this is the first steps, and complete your completions. Continue to your completions. After that, you have to complete your training periods, and then uh, after that you take your salary. So that is called a reward yourself.
Yeah.
And just like you are doing so much in your present, so then future will say you thank you.
Okay. Good. Good. So in a in interview, just like this, they will give you to test your skills. In interview, to test your skills on the spot, they give the topics and they will uh, test that how your what are the knowledge you have. They will measure your skill set and
Yes,
everything.
yeah,
So
that
everyone should practice for this. They have organized it. This is the part of your course, so that you can we are providing the training. So if you get the practice or trained, you will achieve at the final stage. So please, each and everyone should involve in this session. Okay, it's my request. And
of
others,
course.
I hope others will involve. That's why I have showed you on the screen what are the things you have to speak out. It is clear on the screen. You can check the screen and you set up things.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, yes, you are audible.
Yeah.
Please.
Actually, smart work is more preferred than hard work, as per today's generation.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
so, yes, so smart is goal. First is as specific to our goal. Actually, my goal, I was basically be mechanical. I want to change my field from mechanical to IT. This is my goal.
excuse
I
me,
want to achieve this one.
you are not changing, you are upgrading.
Yeah,
That is the case.
yes.
So you have to upgrade, you're not changing, you're not moving. So like I am also from MCA background. I am MCA, but I am in in teaching field.
Yes, yes,
Because it's the basis. If base is strong, anything you can do it.
yes.
You can achieve anything.
Yes. And secondly, is measurable.
With
Measure.
professionals, engineers, you can achieve anything, inshallah.
So in this measurable, we have to prepare our mindset. We have to note down as per your commands and what just now you said. We have to note down everything daily, what duties we are doing, and how to complete this one in time. All these things we have to note down in a diary. And achievable is what we will achieve in this is knowledge in IT. IT is a vast company, and many things we have to update every alternate day. There is some uh, upgrade, means new version of software will come. So we have to go through a lifetime in this IT. We have to learning, only learning will be there.
Yeah.
And then this is realistic. We have to undergo and follow these new versions to keep ourselves updated, timely, punctuality, and everything.
Yeah, good. Good quotations you have given on smart. Nice. You can get the learning for learning, no age. Like
Yes,
Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he got the prophetship at the age of 40 years.
yes, ma'am.
He learned at that age, 40 years.
Even
So
I now I am 45, ma'am.
so for gaining knowledge, no age bar.
Yeah,
For
of
gaining
course.
knowledge, for learning, no age bar. this when like Bill Gates and other you can see. So they develop the in IT you have personalities, okay,
Yes.
familiar persons, celebrities. So they are at the age of 40 plus only.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you can, if at this age, if you work hard, you will achieve more.
Of course.
Okay,
Thank
good.
thank
Okay, Jazakallah, good. And others come up with on screen. We have write down your goal and how deadline. How you will set a deadline. Deadline we have 3 months. Mindset, skill set, tech. What are the first step you want to take? Come up with. Can I hear from Siddiq? Anyone else? Riaz Ahmed? Sir, please come up.
Yeah,
Let's
hello.
speak out. Yeah.
Yeah, my specific goal is to get a job in IT industry.
Okay, good.
Like I have to measure the time, like how much time it will take, what course I have to do, and I
Okay.
have to achieve, like doing the course and practicing uh,
Yeah.
in the real time environment.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like if suppose now the demand is for networking. In networking, what I have to learn, there are many courses in networking like that. I have to measure and I have to achieve in that.
Yeah. Yeah. Good. Yeah. How you
And it
will
will
make
take
it
some time,
realistic?
like 2 3. Yes. And I have to give time, like minimum 3 to 6 months to
Yeah.
get a job in IT.
But you should be on the track, on the path during this.
Yes.
Don't be out of the track, out of the path. So that you have to take
Okay.
care of that. Everyone.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Good. And others?
Thank you.
Jazakallah. Yes, who left? You want to share your things like just speaking out. This our session is to speak out so that that hesitation will overcome. Please, whatever the classes you are going through, the technical session classes, you can discuss here also, so that you are communicating whatever you have learned in the previous class of your sessions. You can communicate here also. So we'll have a, it will brush up your things, whatever you have discussed in the class, previous class.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam.
Actually, I joined late, so can I know what I have to tell about it? Like what I have to say about this? Like you are saying, technical goals, something.
Technical. No, today, actually, yesterday you were there, no? Yeah.
Yes, yes,
So today, we have intro part. Yesterday we have discussed.
yes,
So intro part. So the next part is our goal. So
yes,
introduction we have done with the introduction. Let me discuss. Let me share among ourselves that what are our goals. So how to target your goals we have discussed today. So what are the steps to achieve the goals? So you have to practice it. Unless and until you practice, you won't achieve. And you
yes,
have
of
to
course.
believe in yourself. You have to believe
Yes,
yourself that you can achieve it. Two things you required. Most important things is practice and believe in yourself. In yourself.
yes,
Okay. So these two factors helps you to towards the success. If you have two factors, it helps you to the success of achieving the goal.
yes,
So to achieve the goal, what you have to do, you have to write down the goals. Okay, you have to maintain a diary. You have a three months course. So whatever the, so to make your goals, that is an imaginary part, isn't it? It is an imaginary part of, you have a set up goal. You want to make
yes,
it a realistic. How you will make it a realistic? By putting down your imagination part on the paper. Then you want to execute it. So you want to execute in 3 months. That is a deadline. And you have to mindset means I want to achieve this. I have to You have 24 hours. How you are going to spend this 24 hours? You have to mindset. You have 24 hours. You have to set the mindset. You have to set how you are going to spend your 24 hours. Then
Yes, ma'am.
how you are going to develop your skill set. Now you are familiar with only the hardware part. You are not familiar with the software part. So you want to develop your skill set, isn't it? You
Yes,
know
ma'am.
hardware, but you don't know software. So means you're developing your skill set. Okay, then first step is, then take the first step to execute analysis. You have planned, you have analyzed, then you want to complete it. Continue to completion. You are continuing 3 months, and you have completed, and you are rewarding yourself that you have completed, and Allah will reward you with the good job. Good opportunity will knock you at the door, inshallah. So this is the target of goals. If you have planned for it, analyze, plan, and try to execute, Allah will help you out. The reward also you will get it. So I want you to speak out on this. It is a very good topic, so that you
Okay.
can work on it practically also. Good.
Okay. So shall I say something about it, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay.
You
Actually,
have to use the smart thing: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely.
okay.
You can see on the screen.
Okay, ma'am. I will see on screen. Okay. First thing is that whatever you want to do, you should have some spirit on that. Like if you don't have passion and spirit and everything regarding that, which enthusiast on that, if you don't have that, that is the meaningless. If you don't have the passion and ambition, you will not
Yeah.
work on it. Okay.
Yeah.
Thing is that if you have the passion and something like ambition, you will manage time and you will say to the friends that on this time I have to do this work, so the people will not disturb you. So
Good point, sir.
everything,
Very good point.
yeah, everything you have to say to the people, you have to share to the people that what you want to do day to day life. If you don't share that, you will forget it and people will not think about what you are doing. So in that regards, they will help you. They will set themselves that this guy is something like dynamic. What he wants to do, he will achieve that. So
Yeah.
you have to be like expressive all the time that what you want to do.
Yeah.
So one thing is that you should have ambition and spirit and passion. All those things are important things. The
Yeah,
thing
we
is
can
that
include in this to achieve goal: passion, ambitious goal. Good. Very good point. Very strong point.
yeah, whenever we say something in the time set, so it comes to the project. The project is the activity which is done in the time set. So if you think of something doing deadline, that is your project. For example, this 2.5 month course which I am doing. So what I will develop in myself is that I will develop my speaking skills and my vocabulary and group discussion, how I can discuss in the group. So this is the things which I want to develop. So you have to make some points day to day what I am learning. So you have to make assessment yourself, introspection before you go to sleep. In our religion of Islam also we have the
Yes.
muhaseba. जो अपने आप को मुहासेबा करते हैं वो लोग जो है ना लोगों को माफ भी कर देते हैं, जैसा कि अपने आप को सोने से पहले माफ करना है. We have to forgive the people. So you have to
Yeah.
make positivity in your life so that you can go forward. Wherever you are, like maybe you are doing college final year and you are working, maybe you are dealing with your family people and your relatives. You have to forgive and you have to go forward. You have to neglect the many small petty things and you have to go forward. So these are the things which I will not take the more time. So there is many things to discuss. Day by day we will discuss the things.
Inshallah,
Yeah.
this will help you.
Good, good. So today I am giving a star rating to 4 points. Today's star rating for Mr. Ghaus, 4 stars. So let us come up with good ideas, and I will share the things in the group. Okay, so come up with the ideas so that we can speak out, and our mind will be brush up and clear. Because
Thank you,
inshallah,
madam.
after 3 months, you will be facing the new people, new organizations, team members, panels. Panels means delegates will be there in the panel. So you will be meeting, inshallah, very soon. So come up with the means this is your training, 3 months training. So we'll end this meeting today. It's 4:30. 2 days off. I will plan for the on Monday's class hobby expert and this goal achievement. You have to be with your flag. Try to come with flag. With flag holding, say your goals, plan for it, write down and say it in the class. Okay, if you are saying in front of others, it will be good, means you are going to do it, inshallah. So I hope on Monday you will be coming with your flag and diaries, and just like a oath of doing so for achieving your goals. Okay,
Inshallah.
okay.
Inshallah. Yes, ma'am.
So please, activity based, please cooperate with me. Whatever I am saying, please bring that so that it will be helpful for you, good for you. Okay. So
Okay.
I have shared my PPT, how the man is holding a flag. So it is one of the activity done for the like IPS, EPS, IS officer. Like they have the training sessions. During that training session, one of the activities has been done with this.
What we have to come with the flag, ma'am? I didn't get that.
A
What you
flag,
told on
like
Monday.
I have PPT. I will show you the PPT. Any flag, you can come up with any flag. Just I will share it. Here, see how you are going to achieve your goal. That this is your goal. Suppose man is holding a flag. You want to achieve this man, means you want to achieve this flag. So you have to bring in the class, you have to bring your flag and the diary. What are the points you have written to achieve your goals? Just discuss it one by one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And I have planned for the star batches. Suppose 30 students in each one batch, 5 to 6 students, 1 star batch. So 5 star batch like that. In a team, we will work. Conversation like that. So star batch 1, star batch 2. Administrator will segregate the names. Star batch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2 days, no? Like that, we will inform you on in the group how we have planned. So it will be better. No need of calling names and like that. Okay. So star batch wise will go for activities and the communication part. So we are doing communication. So we need team. We work for the team, and team wise, batch wise, we will daily we will give rating. Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, assalamu alaikum. Inshallah on Monday we'll see. Okay, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.